Okay. Hi, I just want to show you some of the tricks we're using in Canvas to help make things a little easier to keep track of. So let's start by collapsing all. And when you come into the course, you'll see that we have the whole semester laid out for us. But quite a few of these are locked, okay, because you haven't completed the work you need to get in there and make sense of it. So we see this little guy has an item, complete all items. And if we open that up, it says view and view, right? You have to read these things in order to have them checked off for you automatically. So if we take a look at the first one, it's keeping track of when you can withdraw and kind of when final exams are, some really important dates. So if we go to the next one, we take a look at that. This is how you can change your social security number if it changes, or your nickname that you want us to use in class, things like that. And let's move on ahead and go back and see what happened. Okay, we finished each of these. We looked at them, so they're checked off, and that means this whole module is checked off. All good to go. This next one is all of these resources that we have. Very good information. No requirement on that, so we can close that up. This next one says the syllabus, and this says mark as done. So first there's a little discussion of why we have this and a practice. So there's a button next to those, and you have to check that off for it to be completed. Here I want you to download and take a look at the syllabus. Okay, and read through everything because it's an important contract between us on how grades are going to be assigned, and you can't get homework in late, and different policies that the college has. So if I forget and just move ahead, when we come back to modules, you'll see that this one I marked as done. This one I did not yet. So it says you're not done with this. And if I try and go into the week one work to get started, I'm locked out because the prerequisite is reading the syllabus, reading important dates, and doing that profile review up here. Okay? So this kind of helps guide you through. Now, mark as done so that we're all in lockstep. I can see what you've clicked on, what you viewed, what you haven't. So now this is wide open. And in here, you'll notice you have to do all of the homework steps. And then this one says submit. You have to actually send the homework in. Okay. These video lectures will also help. Right. And so I'd like you to view those. So all of the things in here are organized so that you can get through the course in an easy way. Right here, we can't lock in to anything because we haven't finished the week one prerequisites. Okay, so I hope that helps. Sometimes people get kind of skip over these little reminders. So it's going to either say view, submit, which means you hand the homework in, right? So you're going to take the file, upload it, and submit, or mark as done. And that one, because something is especially important to me, like you reading the syllabus, there's that little marked as done button that's going to show up. Okay, so I hope that helps, and really looking forward to having a great semester together. All right, see you soon.